Morning everyone. uh, Joe the welder is my name. So today I will be making some trestles. So as you can see in the picture, we have the two stands, one on this side and one on the other side, and then the one that sits on top to hold the weight. So in this video I will be showing you how it is being welded and the pieces that we need for it. So we have the base, this one, then the main member that stands up, and then on the main member we have the stiffeners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see here, so this is my base. This is the first side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what I do, the main member in the middle here, so I do a square on it on both sides. Then after, so these are my stiffeners. It is 6" by 5. The thickness is 6 millimeter. So after welding that down, I grind it off. Then after, set the stiffeners here. Then tack them, and then this side, tack them, and then after do a full welding. So let me show you what I have fabricated. As you can see in the picture, let me show you what I have fabricated for now.